So another one that we recommend you doing a temperature test as part of our Ninja Getting to Know Your Jewels series is breaded chicken nuggets. We're using some frozen ones here because then you can see how your air fryer compares and the level of crispness you actually get when you're doing the chicken nuggets. And of course you could do the same thing with fish fingers, chicken strips, popcorn chicken, even some breaded shrimp, just to give yourself an idea of the crispness. And in the complete air fryer cookbook, what we have is what we call our temperature test. The temperature test, the idea behind it is that we're all using different air fryers and quite often they're a little bit different to each other. So by doing the temperature test, you can see whether you've got an average, slow or fast air fryer. So the recipes for the complete air fryer cookbook were originally made using the Cosori air fryer, the Philips air fryer, a Tower brand, the Gourmet one, and I think there was a few others as well, like the instant version. So it's just interesting for comparing different air fryers. So the last one on the list that we're recommending you try to see how your air fryer compares is from page 66, so in the chicken category. So let me find it here. Oh yes, homemade chicken nuggets, which is part of our breaded chicken section. And we also have it homemade, so you could do homemade if you prefer. But for the frozen chicken nuggets, recommend 9 minutes at 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, or until piping hot and crispy to your liking. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do the same time and temp on a bunch of chicken nuggets, and then we can see how they compare. So we recommend not overfilling the air fryer basket. So that's just a single layer there of chicken nuggets. We're going for the air fry button and we're looking for a temperature here of 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. And like we put in that recipe from the cookbook, 9 minutes. And then we're going to press start. And it's beeped. So, giving the air fryer basket a quick shake. And I've just done a temperature test. And they're slightly under, which is interesting because they would have been spot on this in my traditional air fryers that I've used. So I'm just going to give it another 3 minutes, so that'll take it to a total of 12 minutes. So that's what you learn a lot with the air fryer, is that you have to adjust the time and temp to suit your air fryer, and then you kind of get used to it and you know what you need to adjust. And with beef, and wow, look at these chicken nuggets now, don't they look amazing? They're just so good when done in the air fryer. Let me get a fork and I can show you them properly close up. And I mean, isn't that brilliant for chicken nuggets in the air fryer? And of course that brings to an end our series where we've shown you 12 different foods from the complete air fryer cookbook and how the time and temps compare with the Ninja. So don't forget to head over to our profile and check them all out on there, because it's been great fun checking out our new Ninja and seeing how it compares to the other air fryers we have. Don't forget to check out the complete air fryer cookbook, made from 10 years of air frying experience with lots and lots of air fry beginner recipes. 140 recipes are included and they're just so easy to follow, with plenty of step-by-step instructions for all the key recipes, so that you can become a master of your air fryer. I know you'll love it, and it's just £10 on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, as well as following us on Pinterest and Facebook and joining our Facebook group. We are also on TikTok now, so don't forget to follow us at TikTok /recipethis.